Today I'm going to talk about the motorcycle accidents insurance and which company is the best, what kind of motorcycle accident is occur, and what's the insurance claim policy, and insurance progress. You can see the insurance progress, see how you can find the motorcycle lawyer, etc. So now I'm going to my start mm, about the motorcycle accidents. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our channels and likes and shares my channels to everyone to know the what are the motorcycle accidents who are face these problems, how they can solve their problem and how they can find the good motorcycles insurance company. And I'm telling about you about at least 10 best motorcycle companies details in the USA. So now I'm telling about the motorcycle company, the Unkin Law, just Chicago motorcycles accident lawyers, and they have a lots of experienced lawyer in this company, so you can choose any one for your success. And I'm also now I'm going to tell you firstly about the motorcycles laws and common motorcycle accidents. Firstly, I'm going to talk about the common motorcycle accidents. Is the high volume of vehicles traveling through Los Angeles country creates unique and challenging driving conditions for motorcyclists. Familiarize yourself with the most relevant types of motorcycle accidents may help you to recognize potential dangers when you next on the road. Motorcyclists often find themselves the victim of left-hand turn collisions in intersections when a left turning car crashes into a motorcyclist passing on the same side. Motorcycle crashes involving s- stationary objects occur with shocking frequency, and approximately a quarter of these accidents are fatal. A motorcyclist traveling at even relatively low speeds can be seriously injured upon impact with an object. Road hazards such as inclement weather, loose debris, and poor infrastructure pose serious risks for a motorcyclist due to vehicle size and related instability. Head-on collisions occur when a motorcyclist crashes head-on with a stationary object or an oncoming vehicle. These collisions are often deadly for the rider. The common motorcycle accident injuries. Injuries sustained in motorcycle accident tend to be more severe than those involving car accident. In addition, some injuries occur more frequently in motorcycle accidents, such as spinal cord injuries when a rider is hit by an oncoming vehicle or thrown from their bike. Their spine may absorb the force of impact. This extreme force can crush or dislocate vertebrae, which may them injure the surrounding nervous. Spinal cord injuries typically fall into two categories of severity: incomplete, resulting in par- partial paralysis, or complete, resulting in full paralysis. Broken bones. Common breaks include the collarbone, skull, ribs, and appendages. Road rash. One of the most ubiquitous motorcycle accident injuries, road rash occurs when part of a rider's body makes contact with the pavement during a collision as the body slides across the ground. Layers of the skin may be stripped away. Medical professionals categorized road rash severity using a degree system similar to burn. First degree road rash, the middleist form, affects only the topmost layer of skin and can present as a rash-like patch that gives you injury its name. Third degree road rash, on the other hand, is much more severe, filling away layers of skin to expose fat, muscles, or even bone. Traumatic brain injuries, TBIS. These are injuries range from mild concussions to permanent impairment, regardless of what type you sustain. TBIs can have a long-lasting impact on your ability to concentrate, for perform activities of daily living, or return to work. Soft tissue injuries or damage to muscle and skin. Soft tissue injuries can manifest extremely, such as road rash, or internally, such as the puncture wounds from broken bones. Wearing proper protective gear while riding significantly decrease the likelihood of serious injury in the event of a crash. Pants, jackets, boots, and gloves made a heavy duty material can protect the body from severe road crash. Helmets greatly reduce a rider's risk of a traumatic brain injury. In fact, California law requires motorcyclists to wear one. However, even the most careful rider with the best quality gear can suffer a severe injury at the hand of another driver. Spinal cord injuries and TBIs often require expensive medical treatment, including surgery and occupational and physical therapy. So, and now I'm going to tell about the motorcycles laws in California. California traffic laws of standard passengers vehicles also apply to motorcyclists. However, there are additional laws specific to motorcyclists riding on California roadways. Adhering to traffic laws not only help you stay safe, but also decreases the likelihood that insurance companies or courts will find you at fault in a motorcycle accident. Laws for motorcycles riders include the following. All motorcyclists must have a Class M1 license to ride in California. A rider younger than 21 must pass the California Basic Rider course in conjunction with the knowledge and the skill tests that are mandatory for all riders. Operator and passenger must wear dot standard helmets when riding. All motorcyclists must carry liability insurance. Motorcycles built in or after 1978 must have working hand headlights. A rider must use their headlights at all time, including daytime. Motorcycles must be equipped with mufflers, mirrors, and if carrying a passengers footwear rests. Motorcycle must be registered with the California DMV. Motorcycles handlebars cannot rise the seated, seated biker's hands more than 6 inches past the shoulders. Lane splitting. Perhaps the most important traffic law for California motorcycle is the state's lane splitting law. California is the only state in which lane splitting is a recognized legal practice. The law defines lane splitting as driving a motorcycle between two rows of vehicles in the same line. Line splitting can be dangerous as few motorcyclists realized that it is a legally protected practice in California and therefore do not expect a motorcycle to navigate between lines. If a driver doesn't check their blind spot before switching lanes, they might call it with the lane splitting rider and they push them into an urgent car on oncoming traffic. The California Highway Patrol strongly discourages inexperienced riders from lane splitting and advises motorcyclists who do choose to lane split to proceed with extreme caution. Nevertheless, the lane splitting law offers new protections for victims of motorcycle accident. Before the law went into effect in 2017, the legal gray area that line splitting occupied made it difficult for these motorcyclists to obtain the compensation they deserve after an accident. Determining fault depended largely on the judge's opening of line splitting as a safe driving maneuver. This caused undue hardship for motorcyclists who were simply trying to get the compensations they needed. Under the new law, motorcyclists can feel more secure when engaging in this practice and if they are involved in an accident while lane splitting. They have a firmer legal ground as to stand on when making their case through an insurance company or court. Common motorcycle accident is the so this is the overview of motorcycle accidents. Motorcycle accident laws from California. Now I am going to talk about the motorcycle accident lawyers in Los Angeles country. Motorcycle accidents are notorious for their grim outcomes and highly fatality rates. The metal frame of a car provides considerable protection when the operator is involved in a crash. Without similar protections, motorcyclists are at higher risk of serious injuries during a collision. However, obtaining compensations following an injury is one of the many challenges survivors face after a motorcycle accident. Proving fault, negative stereotypes about motorcyclists and insurance companies insist on protecting their own interests all stand in the way of motorcyclists' ability to obtain fair compensations after a Los Angeles motorcycle accidents. Fortunately, California's motorcycle and traffic laws are designed to give riders as much safety as possible on the road and afford legal protection for riders involved in a crash. An experienced motorcycle accident lawyer can help you understand these laws and explain how they can work in your favor. Why choose Maslow. At Maslow, we are committed to providing exceptional legal counsel to victims of motorcycle accident. Our experienced injury lawyer have recovered substantial compensations for our clients, ensuring that they receive the justice and medical treatment they deserve. We will negotiate with the insurance companies, refer you to reputable medical specialist and represent you in court if necessary. If you have been injured in an accident due to another negligence, we can help you obtain the compensations you deserve by investigating the accident and determining fault, collecting and analyzing the police report, communicating and negotiating with insurance companies and other involved parties, calculating damages, drafting an insurance demand letter, representing your interest in court, ensuring that you have access to the maximum compensation to which you are entitled. Following an accident, there are many competing interests. The insurance company wants to save money, and its representatives are notorious for encouraging injury victims to accept the lowest settlements possible. Additionally, any other individuals involved in the crash will want a favorable outcome for themselves. Having a motorcycle accident attorney by your side allows you to avoid effectively for your own interest. So that is all from the motorcycle accidents Los Angeles counties. So now I am, that is the company of the Maslow. You can communicate with this company for your motorcycle accident claim, so they can give you the priority for accepting highest compensations from their insurance company and other parties. So I'm going to talk about the top 10 insurance companies from you can get the best result in your against your accident. So top 10 best motorcycle accident lawyers in USA 2020. The best motorcycle accident lawyers in USA 2020. Past injury lawyers SF. Injury lawyers. Again, I'm saying this is the injury lawyers SFs. Best motorcycle accident lawyers in US 2020 to 2022. The San Francisco Injury Lawyers SF is well known in legal crush circles. Their network of lawyers specialize in motorcycle accident regardless of the cause. They provide the clients with the necessary capability to help them in their time. This law firm can help you maximize your family's financial security for wrongful death to serious motorcyclist accident injuries caused by the negligence of another driver. Injury lawyers as a best motorcycle accident lawyers in the USA 2020-22 offer superior and efficient legal advice at no upfront costs. This means that you won't have to worry about legal bill until your case is resolved. Injury Lawyers SF was founded in order to assist people who have been injured in accidents or on the job. We can help you get the millions of dollars that you owe because of your accident. The best motorcycle accident lawyers in 2022 Our network of autonomous comes from many backgrounds and has varying expertise. However, we handle all types of injury and wrongful death cases with high level of experience. Good role of fish. Best motorcycle accidents lawyers, the good role of fish, known that knows that injuries are not always the victim fault. This law firm is available to assist those who are in need of a lawyer for motorcycle accident. Motorcyclists do not have the same protections as motorcyclists. They are not protected by airbags, seat belt, or the structure of their vehicle. Good role of fish is focused on help people in need and protection their rights. If you are interested in learning more about the work of his firm, they offer a free consultations. Motorcyclists are often seriously injured in accident. They can sustain head injuries, bone fractures, and or amputated limbs. These injuries can cause sharp emotional pain and suffering, as well as costly medical bills and lost wages. Motorcycle accident victims who are injured by the negligence of another person can file a personal injury lawsuit to seek compensations in the United States. You may be liable for your injuries if you are a victim of a motorcycle accident. So third is Com Compass Law Group LLP. Compass Law Group LLP is a San Francisco-based motorcycle injury lawyer. They have been in practice for more than 40 years. Their goal is providing personalized service and the best possible care. He has witnessed firsthand the impact legal disputes can have on people's lives through his experience from both sides. This experience has helped them to understand the importance of protecting their clients' rights and helping them recover from an injury or accident. We will conduct an investigations into your accident, photography, into interview witness, review your medical records, and consult with the relevant experts. That is medical specialist, automotive engineer. Law Group is a reputable law firm that can handle any types of case. The firm's knowledgeable lawyers represent those injured by reckless drivers as well as those who are disabled because of lines, illness, or force majeure such slip and falls. The latter can testify on your behalf in court. You can trust assured that you will be supported by highly qualified lawyer who will treat you with compensations and respect every step of your case. They have a track record of the success in court and will work tirelessly for the best outcome for your case. To schedule a consultation, contact the law today. Compass Law Group LLP is the best choice for motorcycle accident lawyer in San Francisco. Highly skilled motorcycle accidents lawyer are not only well educated in personal injury and motorcycle law, but also keen negotiators, and powerful litigators who will not stop trying to obtain damages for you and your family. Elegance law. Johnson represents clients in personal injuries cases. She is happy to assist her clients in navigating what can sometimes seem overwhelming and confusing legal systems. Fidelity Law and San Francisco Motorcycle Coalition's lawyer is located in San Francisco. Their passions is helping clients recover from injuries through personal attentions, careful preparations, and aggressive pursuit for the best outcome. It is the decided to providing exceptional customer service and strives to always be accessible, informative, and engaging. It believes that quality should be a priority when it comes to legal representations. Alliance Law can help you if you are hurt in a motorcycle accident. You will be glad that you did. If you are looking for a personal injury lawyer is a great choice. Johnson can discuss your case with any adjuster from an insurance company or before you a judge and jury. They are located in San Francisco and will work hard for you to get the compensations that you deserve for your injuries. This attorney is a San Francisco-based motorcycle accident lawyer who specializes in helping victims of negligence or other types of personal injury. Johnson says, the day when I can see one of my clients begin judge is the best day for me. Johnson has been able to achieve results for clients throughout his career through negotiations and taking cases to trial before the jury. His case is unique and requires a different approach to determine the best course. 5. Dunn and Penagotas LLP. We at the Dunn and Penagotkas LLP know that most people don't seek out lawyers simply because they like to negotiate problems that requires legal advice are often very urgent and important for both financial and personal reasons. A motorcyclist can be crushed by a motorized in San Francisco and thrown from his bike. We can help you with any business related issues. Whether you have been in an accident in the Bay Area or have suffered a serious injury, please follow the link to view their profiles and learn more about the specific areas of focus, background, and association membership. We will quickly discover that motorcyclists often collide at intersections because motorcyclists don't see them coming. Road rash can be a serious injury. However, there are more serious injuries like broken bones, spinal cord damage, and head trauma. This is why it is not a good idea to trust a motorcycle accident lawyer with such serious matters. DJL accident lawyer fight for their clients when a world bulldog mentality is required to obtain compensations. Colas and while You will require very serious support if you sustain any type of serious injury. Many people find it helpful to work closely with Colos and Bhai. Colos does a lot to help their customers. They are able to assist anyone who is in need of a lawyer for motorcycle injuries. They will be there for any injury party. As the process of seeking damages for any injuries countries continues, they can also represent you. They are the law firm you need to consult when you are thinking about what to do next after an accident on your motorcycle. They will show you how to restore your overall health and well-being. It is crucial to hire a reputable, a creative, and experienced motorcycle accidents lawyer in San Francisco immediately after you have been involved in a motorcycle crashes. Every day, reckless and distracted autobus and truck driver drive dangerously, often causing injury to or death to bikers. Our dedicated personal injury lawyer at the law office of Colas and Wild are the committed to holding negligent motorcyclists responsible for motorcycle accident related injuries and death. Both parents Both partners are avid motorcyclists, and we draw customers who share our passions for motorcycle riding. People feel more at ease speaking with a bike lawyer who is familiar with their situation and has a passion for motorcycles. Our farm has a distinct advantage because of the depth of our motorcycle riding experience and our motorcycle lawyers. The Giller Farm. There is a seven number of lawyer farm is the Giller Farm, a San Francisco-based motorcycle coalition lawyer. Is located in San Francisco. Steve Giller, a lawyer who has been practiced for more than 30 years, founded the farm. The farm has been fighting for the rights and families of customers who have been injured in the California since its inception. The Gaylor Farm has offices in San Francisco, Lafayette, and Willigo. McGillar assistant clients in criminal defense professionals in juries and family law throughout California. His includes San Francisco, Lafayette, and Mortgage, Moraga, Orienda, and Walnut Creek. Contact our office today. If you were the hurt in a motorcycle accident, your injuries may be eligible for compensations. We here to assist you. Since 1988, we have successfully represented injuries clients and their families in California. After graduating from Solano Court High School, he began his legal career with the Solano County District Attorney's Office. He has convicted of misdemeanors and felony offense. Michaels has had the opportunity to be on the opposite side and is dedicated to helping his client succeed in the court system. Contact our office today if you were injured in a motorcycle crash. We will provide free consultations with an expert lawyer who can advise you about your legal opinions your injuries may be eligible for compensations. We are grateful that you chose Gillard Farm. Gillard was established to concentrate on defense, criminal defense, personal injuries, and family law. Because of the Michael's Gillard's business and personal interest, these areas of laws are chosen. Michael connected his law school studies on family law and ethics. He became very interested in California's community property laws and remedies. It also served Contra Costa County as well as the eight other Bay Area counties such as Alameda, Marin, Sonoma Hapa, Sonoma Central Color, etc. Financial Law Group, that's the hold the number 8 position. The San Francisco residents of many different types of motorcyclists, many people ride more mopeds around the city. RLGs, trail attorneys help people who are suffering from bad circumstances. RLGs, trial attorneys can help you get the result that you require after an injury. All of them share one thing. They like an outer shell to provide extra protections, just like a car provides for its driver. Rental Law Group PC can help maximize your recovery, including special and compensatory damages. Many riders are lucky enough to be able to survive an accident on their motorcycle or moped, but they will still have to deal with the consequences. Rancher Law Group has a proven record of success in secure compensations to its clients for their future medical bills and current medical bills. Personal injuries can have a lasting impact on your life, sometimes for many years. If you are injured due to the negligence of another person, you can bring a civil lawsuit to seek damages for the injuries you sustained. You are entitled to compensations. Adamson's Audit LLP. Adamson's Audit is one of the best motorcycle accidents lawyers in San Francisco. Adamson Audit PL LLP helped many clients obtain compensations for their injuries. They are committed to fighting for justice for those wrongfully injured. Los Angeles is commonplace for motorcycle accidents. Accident can still occur even if motorcycle all safety precautions. Our lawyer have extensive experience as prosecutors, lawyers, judges, and police officers. They are proud to help each client find the best solution to their case. They are paid only if the client wins an award or settle. Clients can focus on improving their lives without worrying about a legal fees. Motorcyclists can be harmed by common road hazards like potholes, slippery roads, and heavy traffic. Motorcyclists are not protected by a metal case like cars. Even the smallest threat can cause serious consequences. Audit LLP is available to help you in if you or a family member has been hurt in a motorcycle accident. So motorcycling is a popular way to travel around Los Angeles because of its highway traffic, but it comes with some risks. So more people, 5,096 motorcycle accidents in 2016. Motorcycle accidents were responsible for 15% of all motor vehicles crashes in California that were. Yeah. Last and final is the Road of Raider, Titan and McGuinn. Rhoda Titan and McGuinn are motorcycle accident attorneys based in San Francisco. They are dedicated to providing exceptional service and personal attention to your client while working tirelessly to protect motorcyclist rights. Reptiles, Replos team has more than 30 years of combined experience in personal injury law. You can be sure that your legal needs are being met efficiently and effectively. If you are looking for compensations for medical bills and loss, if you are looking for the compensation of medical bills and loss paid due to an accident or help with settling a claim for wrongful death after the death of a loved one, contract Reptam Law today. Reach out to Reptam Law for professional assistance. Below are some articles presenting the brief descriptions that I have created in our industry. There is no need for us relevant the whole. This is the except of what we have written. To the middle present how to important it is the feel safe while riding around the city or their bikes. Many of our lawyers commute by bicycle, so we are proud and Suzuka bicycle coalitions. Personal injuries lawyer believe everyone, including your clients, deserve the best presentation representations. We accept all lawyers in our field will share the work and keyword we have. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact with us. Most likely, we have deal with this problem and or knows something about it. The laws and regulations are analyze challenge. They often develop quicker than people who modify their website. Use the resource provided by the attorney as a guide for your work. However, please ensure that the law not, law has not changed since the material was proposed. So that is all about the 10 best lawyer company. You are just find out in my video. So if you are very much interested about our topic, don't forget to like, sharing, and comment in my YouTube channels. And I wish you will subscribe our channel, and please press the bell button for notification of new videos. Like and share my videos for your next for reaching the other peoples. So that is all about our topic, and I wish all the best for everyone who are facing these problems. I think we will be able to solve these problems by taking this information from my YouTube channels. And I think if you want to know more, please comment below and like, share this video. And I wish you can subscribe my channels if you don't subscribe still now. And please press the bell button for this more next video notifications. And I wish I will publish regularly and then about new topics, if any kinds of accidents, real topics, or any law topics that could help you to solve your problems without any harassment. So thanks to all for listening our choosing our YouTube channels for getting knowledge from these channels. Thanks all. Bye bye. See you next video.